Tables can help you showcase your data. But what if that data could drive action? Well, great news. With Ninja Tables' value transformation feature, that's exactly what it does. It transforms value easily into clickable links, displays image URLs as actual photos, or even performs calculations in any particular column of your table. In this video, I'll show you some real-life examples where this incredible feature turns a regular table into interactive, clickable, and way more powerful. So stick with me till the end. Let's get started with a neatly organized employee table created with Ninja Tables. Now, I'm going to convert both the email and phone number columns into clickable links, so users can send emails or make calls directly from the table. To do that, I'll just hover over the email column, click the edit icon, and jump into the Transform Value tab. Here in the input field, I need to paste the HTML code, so let's do that. Alright, as you can see, all the plain text is now clickable. If I click on one, it will directly open the email with the address field in, so no more copy and pasting. The email worked perfectly. Now, let's convert the phone number column into a direct call dialer. The process is similar to the previous one, so without any delay, let's make it happen. I will open the Transform Value section and write this HTML code. Okay. As you can see, when I tap this link, it instantly opens the dialer with the number ready to call. But I'm not stopping at clickable links. There's so much more I can do. Let's take a look at the product table, where the image column is embedded with URLs. But now, I'm going to display the actual photos instead of just showing URLs. So to do that, I will use this HTML code here. This displays the image directly in the table, scaled to 60 pixels in width and height with rounded corners. That actually improves the data presentation. Now, let's talk about Excel support formula. It is another way to transform table values dynamically. So let me show you an example of it. I've created a table named Fitness Plan, and I want to calculate the total cost for each plan. So for that, I will add a new column to the table. Let's apply the Excel formula now. I'll multiply the duration by the monthly fee and then add the registration fee to get the total cost. As soon as I update it, the total cost is calculated automatically, giving me a clear view of the complete pricing. Well, if you're new to HTML, don't worry. These codes are straightforward, and Ninja Tables handles the rest behind the scenes. You'll find all the HTML codes and Excel formulas I used in this video down in the description. Just copy them and use them as needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to make your tables more interactive and smarter with the Transform Value feature using simple HTML and Excel formulas. Give it a try and watch your data come alive in ways that truly engage your visitors. And if you need help or want to explore more ideas, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help you.